Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by locking scope and audience so every promotion hits the right players. Once you have target demographics and KPIs, build a lean press kit and app store assets. Make sure to prepare a 30-second trailer, 3 strong screenshots, and a punchy one-line description. These are what convert first-time visitors. While you finalize creative, set up analytics and tracking links so you can measure installs, retention, and campaign ROI from day one. You now execute focused acquisition and engagement steps. Start segmented ad tests with 2 creatives and measure over 7 to 14 days, optimizing by cost per install and retention. Once you see winners, scale budgets. Simultaneously recruit 1 to 2 niche influencers on performance terms to showcase gameplay and tournaments. Also launch community channels, Discord or local clubs, and run weekly practice events to create habit. Make sure you move from testing to scaling while tightening the product funnel. Improve onboarding and tournament sign-up speed, and simplify payments so drop-off falls. Once scaling, run seasonal campaigns with prize boosts, leaderboards, and 2x referral rewards to amplify viral growth. Track cohorts and LTV to decide which channels deserve more spend. If something breaks, slow sign-ups or payment errors, check analytics, reproduce the issue, clear caches, and roll back the last change, then patch and announce the fix to users promptly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.